Hi, my name is Shane Foster. This is my son Damien and Daniel. We are all ramp agents here in Maui, OGG. Ohana is a word we use for family in Hawaii. Hawaii is very tight-knit in family values. It starts with the parents and the love that they show to their kids, and then that extends outward to friends and even newcomers. You know, you want to treat them as family.
You know, every day we're working with my brother and my dad. You know, every day just runs really smooth. You know, it was a blessing getting trained by my dad.
Three of us can run a flight together. Dad's our lead, I'm the assist, Damien's the runner.
I've been with Southwest, it'll be 20 years this year. You know, it was exciting to have them on board. Yeah, I was eager to teach them what I knew. Besides having our actual Ohana, we have our work Ohana, and then we all work together and are close with our coworkers. Our work Ohana is great. You know, everybody gets along with each other. You're willing to help your fellow coworkers out